Right, coming in now is a Class 150 on the 0840 service for Cardiff Central. So hello viewers and welcome to the latest video from B-Tucker Videos, and today I'm at Cathays, which is on the Welsh Valley lines. 150 to 85 is the unit on this service, heading for Cardiff Central. So today here at Cathays will be seeing services from Transport for Wales only. The unit in the first clip that we saw was 142002, and that was on the 0833 service from Barry Island to Merthyr Tydfil. And you may have also seen 150-217 in the distance, and that was on a service on Merthyr Tydfil to Bridgend. But definitely saw 142002 for Merthyr Tydfil. 150-255 is on a service from Treherbert to Cardiff Central, which is about to depart now. This is my first time doing a session here at Cathays, so I hope that it will be quite interesting with some decent stuff to see. So as 150-255 departs, let's get started, shall we? Let's get started here at Cathays. Enjoy all. Yeah, departing out now, 142-075. On the 0843 service Cardiff Central to Treherbert. Calling now Llandaff, Rhadder, Taff's Well, Treforest, Pontypridd, and stations up to Treherbert. Right, coming in now is the 0846 service from Aberdare to Barry Island. Formed of a Class 143 pacer. It's 143-610. Right, departing out 143-610 on the 0846 service to Barry Island, a service originating from Aberdare. Also coming in down there, I can see, is the 0848 service heading in the direction of heading to Aberdare, a service originating from Barry Island. Again, here's another Class 143 pacer. This is 143-606. Right, departing out there, 143-606 on the 0848 service to Aberdare, a service originating from Bridgend and headed via Roost Cardiff International Airport and then up via Barry. Right, coming in now is the 0901 Transport for Wales service to Barry Island, a service from Merthyr Tydfil. And it is 142080. departing out 142080 on the 0901 service to Barry Island, a service from Merthyr Tydfil. Right, coming in now is the 0903 service to Merthyr Tydfil, a service from Barry Island. 143624. Right, departing out 143624 on the 0903 to Merthyr Tydfil. Calling now, Llandaff, Rada, Taffswell, Treforest Estate, Treforest, Pontypridd, Abercynon, and stations to Merthyr Tydfil. Right, coming in now is the 0909 service to Cardiff Central, a service from Treherbert. It is 15231. Right, departing there, 15231, heading for Cardiff Central, a service from Treherbert. Right, also coming in is the 0913 service for Treherbert, 15255, coming back around. Right, departing out 15255. And that is heading on the 0913 service to Treherbert. Right, coming in now is the 0916 service to Barry Island, a service from Aberdare, formed of 15252. Right, departing out 15252 on the 0916 service to Barry Island. Moving slowly under cautionary signals. While also coming in, we've got the 0918 service heading in the direction of Aberdare. Once again, another class 150 unit. It is 150-282 this time. Right, departing now, 150-282 on the 0918 service to Aberdare, a service originating from Barry Island. Right, coming in now is the 0931 service heading for Bridgend, a service originating from Merthyr Tydfil, formed of 142077. Right, departing out 142077 on the 0933 service from Merthyr Tydfil to Bridgend. While also coming around, I can see, is the 0933 service to Merthyr Tydfil, a service originating. This one's heading to Merthyr Tydfil for 150 that's coming in now. A service originating from Barry Island, which is 150-236. Right, departing out 150-236, and that's on the 0933 service to Merthyr Tydfil. A service that originated from Barry Island. Right, coming in now is the 0943 service to Treherbert, which is 150-231 coming back around. The service originating from Cardiff Central. Right, departing out now is the 0943 service to Treherbert, formed of 150-231. Also coming down in the distance is the delayed 0941 service to Cardiff Central, a service that originated from Treherbert. And yes, it's a class 142 unit. And it is 142-073. 142-073 on the delayed 0941 to Cardiff Central. Right, departing out there, 142-073 on the delayed 0940. No, it's the 0940 service to Cardiff Central. A service that originated from Treherbert. We'll see that come back around a bit later on. Right, coming in now is the 0948 service to Aberdare, 142-085. 142085 to Aberdare, originating from Bridgend. Right, departing out 142085, that's on the 0948 service to Aberdare, the service originating from Bridgend. Right, coming in now is a slightly delayed 0946 service to Barry Island, a service that originated from Aberdare. And this unit is 142069. Heading for Barry Island, delayed 0946 service. Right, departing out now, I think, 142069, heading for Barry Island, is it? Definitely going off now. Calling now at Cardiff Queen Street, followed by Cardiff Central, Grangetown, Cogan, Eastbrook, Dinas Powys, Cadoxton, Barry Docks, Barry and Barry Island. Right, coming in here, 142073, that's on the 1013 service to Tree Herbert. Oh, coming down there is another 142 that's on the service to Cardiff Central, and that's from Tree Herbert. So as they come in, thank you guys for watching my video from Cathays. If you haven't liked what I've seen here at Cathays, then please do like and subscribe. Please leave any comments below, because I'll get back to them as and when I can. Any recommendations are welcome, so please do leave them in the comments. I say Cathays has been a good station to film at. It's certainly not among the best I've ever filmed at, but it's been decent enough. Like decent enough frequency of trains coming through as well, which is always good. But like the units do get a bit repetitive up here along the valley lines, but it's good to tick off a few stations along there. 142073 heads to Tree Herbert, while numerical order 142074 heads to Cardiff Central. So that's an interesting numerical order of units. The one to Cardiff Central's on the delayed 1011 service. My next station will be Rudder, so please do check out my video from Rudder once it's up and once it has been released. So please do check out my channel for when it is up. So the easiest way to do it would be to click the subscribe button below, and then to click the notification bell, so whenever I have released a new video, you'll be able to see it straight away once it has been released. So please do that. As I say, my next station will be Rudder, so please do check it out once it's up. In the meantime, thank you guys for watching my video from Cathays. See you all at Radar. Cheerio.